Today we're going to see exactly how much you can get for $10 in Vietnam, or roughly 250,000 Vietnamese dong. It's quite dark out, it is night time, it's like 7 p.m. I've slept all day and been sorting visas out as well. I'm going to go get some food first and see how much that costs us because I haven't eaten all day. The first meal, I've got some veggie spring rolls and vermicelli, and then I've got a dessert coming and a drink coming. I think altogether it costs about 70,000 Vietnamese dong. The dessert I've got is this caramel like sponge cake. I don't really know what it is, but we're gonna try it and see what it's like. It's not terrible. It's just very weird. It's like jelly in like a caramel sauce. And I'm not quite sure what I think of it, to be honest with you. But I'll probably end up eating it because I'm hungry. Well, I've come to the old port in Hanoi, which costs 7,000 dong on the bus, and it's definitely more lively here. It's much busier. There seems to be a lot more to do and a lot more tourists here than where I'm staying. Now I'm gonna try and get some bubble tea because like when you're in Asia you can't not get bubble tea. It's like part of their culture, I guess. So got myself me bubble tea. It's a tropical pineapple bubble tea, and it cost me 40,000 dong. I'm really good. I haven't had a bubble tea in like 7 years or something. It's been a long time. So this is a lot better than I remember. Now I've just found out that the buses actually stop at around 10 p.m. depending where you're going, but the one I need isn't running anymore. So I need to get a moto taxi to my hostel, which I'm very dubious of because of how bad the traffic is here and the driving, and I won't have a helmet. But we don't have any other choice. So as I said, missed the last bus, so I have to get a moto taxi. At least I've got a helmet because I'm a bit worried about this drive. So I think this trip has cost me 45,000, even though on the app I could have got it for 35. But I was stood on the side of the road and they were already there, I wouldn't have had to wait. So I'm not that fussed. I gave him 50,000 in the end because I was going through my money trying to find the right change, and he was just kind of like pointing at the 50,000, like asking for that one. I'm headed back to the hostel to try and get some sleep, and we'll continue this in the morning. It's the next day and I'm on my way to change hostel, as you can see, with me bag on my back. Now there wasn't really a big problem with my hostel, I just didn't like it that much. It was very quiet, there was not many people there. So I just wanted to change to one that I originally wanted to go to, but it was sold out. I just spent another 7,000 dong to get the bus so that I can go and put my stuff in the hostel. And then once I've put my stuff in the hostel, I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I am starving. I've come to get some banh mi, which is like traditional food in Vietnam. And I've met 2 Scousers. Like no matter where you go, you bump into Scousers. I didn't actually get your names. I'm Craig. Rhiannon. Thomas. Thomas is from the Wirral and Rhiannon is from Wave. No, not a real Scouser, fake Scouser. But for this video, you'll do. And Rhiannon, who's from Wavertree. So she's a proper Scouser. Probably more of a Scouser than me, to be honest, because I'm from Bootle, so I don't have a purple bin. That banh mi cost 45,000, which is a little bit more than I thought. I did get like the most expensive one though. They had some for like 35k, which were tofu or mushroom, but I really wanted some falafel, so I paid the extra. Now I've got about 26,000 dong left. Need to find something to do for a little bit of time with that money. I think I'm gonna head to the Temple of Literature because the 2 people I've just met said it's one of the nicest temples they've been in all of Southeast Asia. I'm at the temple now, which actually costs 30,000, but if you got a student card, it costs 15,000. And I always travel with my student card to get discounts like this. So I still have like 10, 11,000 left. The temple was constructed in the 11th century and it was actually the first university in all of Vietnam. It's had a few major reconstructions over the centuries due to wars destroying it and it just being old and needing refurbishing. But it's pretty much been restored back to how it originally was. Now, apart from that, I don't really know much else about it, to be honest. I just came because it looks really nice. So I finished in the Temple of Literature and now it is the end of the video. That just shows you $10 can go a long way in Vietnam. We got multiple bus journeys, a taxi journey, a day's worth of food, treats in the form of a bubble tea, and we got to do an activity in the Temple of Literature, all for under $10. If you wanted to add a hostel in there, it would only cost you an extra $5 or $6. So you could really do a day in Vietnam for like $15 to $20 easily. Now if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, comment below what your favourite part was, and remember to subscribe. And as always, keep exploring.